This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 5T. Now this one is the 8GB of RAM variant and has been updated to Android 8.0 Oreo versus the Google Pixel 2 XL running Android 8.1. Now if you're wondering, this is in a Spigen case, so I'll link to it in the description below if you're interested in that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in Android 8.0 on the 5T, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear both. There's nothing in the background on the Pixel 2 XL. Let's get started with the messaging app. There you go, camera. Very similar thus far. Lift on both and leave it there. eBay. Okay, 5T a little bit faster. Click on this Dell laptop, leave it there. Amazon shopping. Very similar. Both phones are hella fast right now. Acrobat Reader, whoo, that's a tie. Speed test app. And give this one to the 5T. Go ahead and check the server. Make sure we're on the same one. Mario Run. Loading on both. And ooh, that's a tie. Tap to begin and close out the game. Subway Surf. Loading on both, and ooh, another tie. Tap to play on both, close out the game. Temple Run 2. Woo! Neck and neck. Oh! Hella close. Which one's faster here? Let's find out right now. And the 5T, a little bit quicker. Tap to play on both. Close it out. Angry Birds 2. Starting up logging in. On the 5T, I think it's a little bit ahead here. And the 5T is out in front. Will the Pixel 2 XL catch up? No, it does not. And the 5T will take this game. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Ooh, both are neck and neck. And ooh, barely a difference. Twitter on both. And give this to the 5T. Snapchat. The 5T again. Let's take a look at the multitasking on both. Everything is in the background, as you can see. So go ahead and start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. This game's ready to resume. Angry Birds 2. Ready to continue. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Ready to resume as well. Mario Run. And ready to resume on both. Speed test app. Ready to resume on the 5T. And a reload here on the Pixel 2 XL. Adobe Acrobat Reader, ready to go. Amazon shopping, still in RAM. eBay, and ready to go on the 5T, and a little bit of a stutter on the Pixel 2 XL. Play Store, right on the Lift app, ready to download. The clock on both. There we go. Calculator, still in RAM on both. Camera, and a little bit of a reload here on the Pixel 2 XL, and the messaging app. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you hashtag Team Pixel, rocking the Pixel 2 XL or the regular Pixel 2 or even the Google Pixel from last year, the best camera on a phone in the market right now? Or are you Team OP5T rocking the OnePlus 5T, the OnePlus 5, or even the OnePlus 3T from last year. Those phones having 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.